Welcome back. Goa police were screened for their medical fitness on Saturday at Margao, but most of the police officials were found complaining of back and knee pain. They also complained of various other sicknesses. Now the question is Goa police strong and healthy?
Once we do the camp and we screen them, then we are coming to know that there are many other diseases also they are suffering from. These people suffer from uncontrolled diabetes, uncontrolled hypertension, osteoarthritis problems, and disc prolapse problems. So the frozen shoulder problems, many other things. So unrecognized. So that's why by screening or by doing these regular camps, so what we are coming to know the unrecognized diseases in the police personnel, especially the police personnel.
Few months back, a proficiency test was held for the Goa police officials. Most of the officials had not fared well in the test. Manipal Hospital, in association with Goa Police, held a free medical camp at Goa Police Station at Margao. After this medical test, now the question that arises, is our police force strong? Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
First Lady SP of North Goa, Priyanka Kashyap, has said that she will focus on preventing crime against women. While talking exclusively to Prudent, Priyanka Kashyap said that she will reactivate cyber crime cell.
IPS Priyanka Kashyap has taken charge as SP of North Goa. This is for the first time when a lady officer is taking charge of the district. Priyanka Kashyap is right here with us, and I'm going to ask, as North District of Goa is very prominent district because it comes capital city of Panjim, and the most famous beaches comes under your jurisdiction now. Crime and criminals are rampant here. So what do you see challenges ahead?
As a police officer, that's what we have been trained for, to take up these challenges. Goa is a new place for me, and in terms of dynamics also it's a new place, but I hope with the guidance of seniors and my subordinates and my colleagues, I'm going to be able to handle the situation. And challenges that I'm seeing here, more than challenges, I think I've delineated a few areas for myself, which is going to be, as a woman, my sensitivity towards crime against women is going to be very high. I'm going to be zero tolerance for any kind of crimes against women, and also no tolerance for drugs and any kind of nefarious activities that have been going on here. So I'm going to try and target that. And I think with the support, I'm going to be able to do something in that regard.
Nature of the crime are changing. Like this area have seen many prostitution cases which runs over the websites. So are you focusing on that also?
Yes, that's what I have thought. And I'm an IT engineer from Punjab Engineering College. So I hope I can put my background to some use here, and I want to start the cyber cell again and put my inputs there. Yeah, we are working in that direction.
You were posted in Nagaland, very insurgent affected area, and now you are in Goa, very famous for its tourist destination. So on the light note, what do you see from Goa?
Honestly, I've come to work here, and for us, place really doesn't make a difference. But yes, Goa is a beautiful place. It's a very nice place to be in. The weather right now is very good, and it's a beautiful place. I don't know how much time I'm going to get, but yeah, it's a nice place to be in.
Priyanka Kashyap has said that focus area will be the crime against women and the cyber crime. With video journalist Dinesh Karpe, I am Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Goan Motorcycle Pilots and Taxi Riders Association has demanded restarting of the Pilot Monthly Assistance and Pilot Maintenance Scheme. They are planning to meet Chief Minister and Social Welfare Minister Margao with another memorandum. If the demands are not met, pilots will decide their future course of action after consulting all the stakeholders.
ती स्कीम 2010 सून चालू जाल्ली. ते स्कीमीन 1000 रुपया ऑलरेडी मेळटालो, आनी ते स्किमीचें कितें आसलें 50 ते 59 पर्यंत ते स्किमीन बेनिफीट, आनी कितें 60 वर्सां जाली की DSS चालूच आसता. तेतून ते मागीर मर्ज करचें अशें म्हटलें, पूण ते मर्ज जायना. पण आतां ती स्कीम बंद जाल्ल्या कारणान हो एक प्रॉब्लम तयार जाला, आनी अशें जर फुडें जायत जाल्यार तो एक प्रॉब्लमूच जातलो आनी हो प्रॉब्लम जावचो न्हू म्हणून आमी ही आमची जी स्कीम आसा ती सेपरेटूच दवरची अशें आमी एक निवेदन दिल्लें आनी भितर विनवणी केल्ली आपल्या मिनिस्टराक आनी आमच्या मुख्यमंत्र्याकूय केल्ली आनी तो प्रस्ताव घेवन परत हांव 24 जुनान परत मुख्यमंत्र्याक मेळ्ळलो आनी तेजे फुडें परत तो सेपरेट प्रश्न दवरलेलो आनी त्याच बरोबर आनी वेगवेगळे प्रश्न तेच दवरलेले आनी तेचेर विचार करचो असो आमी तांकां एक हें दिल्लें आमकां तेजी कांयच रिप्लाय मेळूंक ना तरी सुद्दां आमी आनी परत एक हें घेतलां की आयचे मिटिंगेन अशें जालें की परत आमी सरकार आनी आमचो मिनिस्टर माननीय आपलो महादेव नायक सोशल वेलफेअर मिनिस्टर ताका परत मेळचें शक्य जाता जाल्यार मुख्यमंत्र्याची परत भेट घेवन तेंचे कडसून परत जर कितें जालां अशें कितें ती तजवीज जाल्या जाल्यार तेचेर कितें तरी एक माहिती जाणून घेवची आनी जर कांयच जावंक ना जाल्यार हो जो मेसेज तेंचे कडून कितें येता तो संपूर्ण राज्याच्या पायलटा पर्यंत पावोवचो आनी हो प्रश्न कसो कितें हाताळचो हो तेंचे कडसून जशें कितें आमकां जो फिडबॅक येतलो तेंचे कडसून जे कितें रिप्लाय येतली तेचे उपरांत फुडें जें कितें डिसिजन घेवपाचें जर जालें जाल्यार ते सगळ्या पायलटांची एक जनरल मिटींग आपोवन तेचे भितर फुडलो जो कितें व्यूहरचना जी आहा पळय ती थंय फुडें केल्ली वयतली.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.